Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah and today I am so happy to share with you guys my happiness because last Monday we went to a store. It's Timeline and it is a shop in which it sells Apple products such as iPhones, iPad and any other gadgets, and I am really so happy because finally we bought a new baby. So meron na kaming bagong baby and this is the Apple iPad Air 3. So ito siya, Air 3 2019. So ito siya, dapat unboxing siya, pero sa sobrang excited ko, hindi ko na nahintay. So, doon pa lang doon sa store na Timeline, pinaset up ko na agad siya. Nagpa-help na rin ako na ilagay yung iCloud ID ko. Although alam ko naman, pero para mabilis na lang, doon na namin ginawa. So, ito pala yung box niya. So, this is the box of this iPad Air. So, you can see, ayan yung ano ng gilid ng iPad Air. This is the side of the iPad Air. So, tignan natin. So, ayan siya, diba? And, kaya tinawag na Air. So, I also did my research. That's why it's called Air or iPad Air because it's very light and thin. So, it is really easy to carry. No matter what you do or if you want to go to such places na magre-relax ka lang, such as cafes, and if you want to eat out with your friends, you can bring this while you also want to work, diba? And any other thing, and also watch Netflix, ayan. So, pwede mong gawin dito sa iPad. So, later, sasabihin ko pa kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin dito. So, this is the box, and you can see here, sa other side niya, okay? So, nakalagay dyan, iPad Air, and here is the the GB or the gigabyte is 256 and iPad Air Wi-Fi. So it includes iPad Air. This when we purchase this one, it includes the iPad, of course, Lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. So this box includes the iPad or the unit itself. At the same time, meron din siyang charger. And ito, ayan siya. So, ito yung, nakalagay dito yung resibo. So, dapat hindi ko mawala to. Para kapag, if ever na masira siya, meron pang warranty. Pero, sana huwag siyang masira, di ba? And then, ayan siya. Dito nakalagay yung charger. Diyan nakalagay yung charger. And the USB cable adapter. Tama ba pinagsasabi ko? O, ayan. So, dito nakalagay. And then, the unit itself, dito siya nakalagay. So, let's see. So, ganyan siya nung una. Tapos, tinanggal lang namin. I really love this iPad. Nagamit ko na siya since I told you that we bought it last Monday. And, nagamit ko na siya kahapon. Monday, kahapon, and then today. I didn't have the time kasi to do the vlog at the same day na binili namin siya, na pinurchase namin siya. So, this is 256 gigabyte and the color is space gray. Look at that color. Wow, it's so lovely. Ayan, and then this is the camera and this is the logo, Apple logo, and then ayan siya. So, as you can see, meron ng mga fingerprints kasi nga, or finger marks rather, kasi nga, ginamit ko na siya, ginamit na namin siya, and then dito yung switch niya. So, you can see. Ayan. Balik. Wait lang. Balik ko siya. So, ayan siya. So, this is the look. This is, the size is 10.5 inch. 10.5 inches siya. And very light. Kaya nga tinawag siyang Air, diba? Inulit ko na naman. So, I really love this. It's very convenient. I use this sa work ko, whenever I teach my students, I do my presentations, PowerPoint presentations, and record their scores in my class records. I use this iPad, and it is very useful. Kahit dati, nagdadala pa ako ng laptop bag or kaya naka-backpack ako kasi dala-dala ko yung laptop ko. Pero ngayon, isa na lang ang bag ko, take note. And dala-dala ko yung shoulder bag and then madali lang siyang ilagay doon or ipasok. And then, this one, ito, share ko na rin yung case na nabili ko. It's Case Pro Premium Case from DJB. And then, I bought it for only 695 pesos. Ayan pa yung price na nandito. And this is the case. So, meron siyang takip. Ayan. So, whenever na nakalagay yung iPad dito, tapos tinatakpan ko kung saan na siyang naglalak. So, ilagay natin. So, let's put it here. And then, see? Ayan. And then, ipiflip mo siya para mag-stand siya. Or itutupi mo siya para mag-stand siya. And then, actually, 3 days ko pa lang siyang nagamit. And, I can say naman na it's very useful, it's very convenient, and hindi sayang yung pera. Very worth it yung pera kasi ang dami niyang use, and then ang ganda din ng camera niya. And its chip is A12 Bionic, and sasabihin ko rin, or babasahin ko yung mga features pa niya. And, para maramdaman niyo kung gaano siya kabigat, malaman niyo talaga kung gaano siya ka-light, rather. It has only 456 grams and 6.1 millimeters thin. 456 lang yung bigat niya and 6.1 millimeters yung nipis niya. And it carries all that power, that is effort. And this iPad Air 3 features a large 10.5-inch Retina display, and it is very portable and perfect for for getting things done anywhere. And at the same time, it has advanced wireless connectivity. Sobrang bilis niyang mag-connect sa Wi-Fi. Minsan nagugulat na lang ako, as in, hindi ko alam yung password, pero talagang nakakonect na siya. O yun. And then, its battery life is very good because it has 10 hours battery life. And you can carry this iPad. For example, sinarge mo siya and then you are going outside or going to do your work sa work mo or... Sorry guys, naputol yung video kasi nalobat yung battery ng camera ko. So, as I was saying a while back, I really love this iPad Air 3 2019 because it's very light and super thin. At the same time, I can work, play, and learn. So, I can work because, or I can use this at work because I use this as I present my discussion sa klase katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. So, for example lang papakita ko. Here's my PowerPoint. It's nakalagay blackout poetry, and I am an English teacher, so this is very useful for me. I can easily show my presentation or my my slides to my students, and I can hold this kahit saan ako umikot-ikot sa room, and while discussing and teaching my students, kahit ikot-ikot ako dyan and naka-connect to sa TV using the Anycast, walang problema. It's very convenient. And at the same time, this iPad can access Word. Dito ko na rin ini-edit yung mga documents na ginagawa ko. And at the same time, I also use this as after the quiz na tinitake ng students, nire-record ko na siya agad. So, ganun. Sobrang dali. And at the same time, I can play. So, mahilig ako. Ang laro ko hindi games, pero yung picture editing. So, tinatawag ko na rin siyang play kasi I find it really enjoying. Kung gusto kong maglaro and maglagay ng games, I can. And at the same time, I can learn. So, kapag break time ko, nanonood ako sa YouTube ng mga subjects or topics about English. Ayan, so I can learn. And then, nagbabasa ako ng books and whatsoever. And, ayun, so I really love this one. Its strength is 10.5-inch Retina display. At the same time, it's thin, it's lightweight, it's very portable and convenient. I can bring this anywhere I go, and I really love it so much, and the money is really worth it. So I can also use this for editing this vlog, diba? Katulad nitong vlog na to, dito ko niyan siya i-edit. Itong video na ginagawa ko, dito ko siya i-edit. So I bought this, we bought this, and I bought this. Ayun. So we bought this kasama yung husband ko, okay? sinamahan niya ako and bumili kami nito para gamitin namin sa pag-aaral and at the same time sa pag-edit ng vlog ko and sa work. So, hindi lang siya para masabi na meron tayong iPad or hindi lang siya para accessory lang. It's really a tool for us. It's really a tool for helping me with my work and for helping me with my small business. So, I really love this overall. Thank you, iPad, for making everything easy for me. So, we still have a lot of, I still have a long journey with my iPad now. So, this is iPad Air 3. So, yeah, that's it. So, if you have any questions and comments, just leave them on the box below. Bye!